Hey everyone, it is Troy from Roadside RC. We are out here today at something that's actually, I think, pretty dang special. So we are out here today at the RC Farm. All right, so we are in Crossville, Tennessee, and we have two gentlemen that have now decided to take it upon themselves to make sure we have a place to race. And so what we have over here is the barn where the actual dirt track is. Over here on this other side, we actually have a whole stables where you have pits, water, electricity, all this kind of stuff. I am so excited to see this. I think this is going to be really, really awesome for our community. Let's go in, check out what we can see inside. Back at the house, huge thanks to everybody out there at the RC farm. Man, that place really is such a great place for RC racing. We had good crowd out there, lots of really nice folks that let me stick a camera in front of all their cars as they were trying to make fast laps. Really fun place. If you're anywhere near the Crossville, Tennessee area, you have got to check out this RC farm. Really nice folks running it. Great facility. Really fun place. They practice on Tuesdays and Fridays. They're racing every other weekend. I mean, really, it is very nice. So get out there and check it. I'm going to have a link down below to their Facebook page so you can see everything there. Really fun. I'm going to get to editing some more videos from all of this. While I'm working on that, please come over here, check out some of the other videos that we've already created in the past, some of the other stuff that we've made and worked on. Please consider subscribing down below. We will see you next time. Thank you and goodbye.